Good morning, Dingle's Crypto. So I have a very exciting video for you today. Oh, you got a sneak peek. But first, I want to say thank you very much for 100 subscribers. I appreciate each and every one of you. This is awesome. Let's get to 200 by Christmas. That would be a great Christmas present for me. So if you're not subscribed right this second, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And on the way up, hit that like button. All right. Appreciate you. And then let's jump right into the Bitcoin price action. All right, Bitcoin's looking tasty. Okay, man, if this isn't a continuation pattern, I don't know what is, right? So we go down to 16.7, go down to 18, and now if we go down to 18.5, but every time we hit that 19.7 or just about 19.7, we're weakening the resistance, right? So every time we hit it, we're hitting sell orders, and the people that have been holding Bitcoin in profit are selling to the new people or the people that aren't in profit. So we're just weakening that resistance, and one of these times we're going to go scoop right up above 20k, guys, and we're going to experience all-time highs. And who knows what the next resistance will be? Maybe 25k, maybe 30k, maybe 22k, or maybe 50k. Who knows? Just be prepared for anything. I'm not selling for a while, but but I am. It's nice. It is a very nice time to be in crypto, guys. Very lucky to be making these videos and just knowing about crypto in the first place, because a lot of people don't understand it. Maybe haven't had enough time to understand it. But let's jump right into Ethereum. Ethereum's next 2 years are either going to be catastrophic or mind-boggling awesome. Like, it's one or the other. I think it's more like 80-20. So 80% possibility that it's mind-boggling, crazy, like life-changing money / life-changing services, and it's just going to be crazy. But if everything from ETH 1.0 gets transferred correctly to ETH 2.0 to proof of stake, it's going to be an insane 2 years. EIP 1559, sharding, all these things happen on time correctly and get adopted. It's going to be a crazy year. But also some of the other tokens you need in your portfolio right now for this next bull run is Chainlink and Polkadot. Okay, those are the 4 tokens you need: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Polkadot, and Chainlink. If you don't have those in your portfolio, I don't know what you're doing. But anyways, let's talk why ETH2 is going to pump so hard in the near future. Staking services cracking. Clients have deposited more than 160 ETH into ETH2 staking services. So that this is not even into the deposit contract, right? It's just through Kraken's staking services. It's probably a pool that allows you to stake and earn interest while Kraken gets a percentage, right? So let's look at the actual deposit contract. 1.4 million ETH. That is 1% of the circulating supply, more than 1%, and it's growing every day. Look at 32 minutes ago, every like 30 minutes, 32 ETH get deposited. It's just growing every day. But so once like Binance, Coinbase, all these exchanges, as well as crypto banks like BlockFi and Circle and all these other ones. Although Circle's an exchange too, but all these exchanges are going to start staking and offer staking services, and then people are going to see the dividend, right, of Ethereum get deposited in their account. They're like, oh, this is awesome. The price is going to go crazy. People don't understand it yet. But let's just jump right into some facts. We're just going to be talking facts real quick. M1 money supply increased 64% this year. Bitcoin, 5% of the entire Bitcoin supply is held in treasuries of 20 plus private and public companies. This 20 plus is going to be, after next year, is going to be at least 100 plus, if not 200 plus. Mark my words. If it's not, Bitcoin's not doing too hot. But let's move on to the M2 money supply. And the velocity of M2 has been going down, and this is why we haven't seen inflation to the degree that we should have, right? So inflation should be astronomical right now. Obviously, you see appreciation in assets such as stock and investments in properties, as well as everything, cars, trucks, everything that's looked at as an investment, right, has gone up and appreciated significantly this year. But once M2 money velocity has gone back up, you'll see inflation happen. That's what we're waiting on, basically. And once another stimulus bill comes in and people stop worrying about their current situation, because it's Christmas time, obviously spending goes up, but also people hold back because they know they need to spend on these little things like Christmas presents and stuff like that. But let's jump right into the reason why crypto was made. This is the reason right here. Right here. This is the reason. Argentina's monetary system is collapsing because, I'm not going to get into politics, but you can guess what Argentina's core politics beliefs are. I mean, do whatever you want with that information. But anyways, this is why printing money to infinity does not work. One of the reasons why the United States is in a little different situation is because all their debt is denominated in US dollars, right? So all their debt is denominated in US dollars, which means we can pay off our debt by just printing more. Argentina could not do that. So if they printed more, what Argentina currencies, right? Their debt was not denominated in the Argentina dollar. It was denominated most likely in the US dollar, right? Or maybe another currency. So that's where our countries are in a little different boat. So the United States are a little safer versus these other countries, these third world countries that are printing their own currency but have debt denominated in a different currency. Those countries are in trouble for hyperinflation, right? So just keep that in mind. The United States can hyperinflate, but it's a little more controlled. But anyways, as you can see, Bitcoin has been going up significantly in adoption in Argentina since this year because of the inflation and the monetary weakness of their country. But let's jump into why traditional financial institutions are baloney. There's nothing more nanny state than accredited investors. So back in the day, financial institutions got some regulation on you can't invest in VC and all these startups or even securities through hedge funds or through so there's a lot of regulations, and a lot of it revolves around being an accredited investors, and there's regulations. So basically, accredited investors just means you got to make money. You got to make like $200,000 a year. So yeah, or $300,000 as a couple. So you have to make money, and to do any sort of VC or any startup. But that's what I like about crypto is because you can buy tokens, and these tokens basically represent a startup. And it's such a revolution. Screw all these traditional finance rules. Check this out. I like this from Anthony Sassano. Meanwhile, everyone is allowed to go blow as much money as they want at the casino. These laws are made to keep poor people poor. Or middle class, lower middle class, because VC is one of the best vehicles to become rich on. You make one good VC investment, it could change your life, versus buying a lotto ticket, which obviously is the worst. It's called the stupid man tax. Unless you're just doing it for fun. If you like doing it and you do it for fun and you know it's a loss when you spend it, but some people think it as an investment, and those people I want to help because I feel so bad for them. Like, it's not an investment, guys. Come on, what are you doing? But anyway, Circle. This is actually bigger news and it should get more attention. Okay, so Circle is launching high-yield digital dollar accounts, 8.5 to 10.75 APY. You know how insane that is? No traditional bank would ever give you that much. That is insane. And how are they doing this? This is the insanity part, right? They're leveraging Yearn and Aave, which is DeFi. So the merging of DeFi and traditional finance, even though Circle is like a crypto bank / exchange, they are merging. And Coinbase should do this because Coinbase could do this. And they're merging. And they're giving higher yields to people. And they're seeing that crypto is the new way. And it's DeFi. That's right. And wait, Yearn and Aave they're built on Ethereum? Huh? Nobody's using anything else except Ethereum? Huh? Really? Except Ethereum? Okay. Yeah. Nobody's using anything except Ethereum. TikTok, finance TikTok, man, or crypto TikTok. XRP, EOS, freaking all these trash tokens on TikTok. It's insanity. But anyways, but anyway, let's look at the stock to flow. Look at these beautiful red dots. Beautiful, and look at we're slowly moving up. Slowly moving up. Red dots, stock to flow is just beautiful. I mean, come on. I mean, this is probably the most for sure bet gamble of your lifetime. Okay. Obviously, there's still a chance we could go skirt all the way down to 0. If we skirted this way, we're going to 0, guys. It's not like we're going skirt this way and come back up. No. If we go below, probably, I don't know, if we just drop like a brick all the way down to 0, like we're going to 0, guys. I'm sorry. I am sorry, but we're going to 0 if we don't make it to 100,000. If we don't make it 100,000, we're going to 0. But Angelo BTC, one of my favorite traders / swing traders. I mean, you can follow his stuff. It's insane. Up only, he says last night. He barely tweets. Up only, he says. Beautiful stuff. Beautiful stuff. But anyways, I'm going to go over Power Pool tonight. Should be a great episode. We're going to learn a lot. We're going to learn about XDAI as well as the yield farming opportunities with this and indexes they have. They have a new one out called Yeti, which is pretty cool. Look at this. Look at this. Yeti. Yeti's a cool index. But anyways, it's pretty similar to PiDAO, but there's also other features that are exciting. So let's show up for that tonight and let's learn some shit. Okay, that's all I have for you today. Peace out. Thanks for liking and subbing because I know everybody did that. Peace.